I rang up my three friends from IITs and asked them a simple question. Should the students start preparing for IIT JEE from the 10th standard itself? And they all unanimously agreed yes. I further went on and asked them three important questions. What is the correct strategy to begin your preparation of your IIT JEE in the 10th standard itself? Which are the subjects that they should start with? And third, which are the best online resources that they can refer to begin their IIT JEE preparation in the 10th standard itself? And these are the secret tips that they told me in the conversation that I'll be sharing with you over here. Hello everyone, if you're new to this channel, I am Anirudh Bhatt, a third year medical student at Goa Medical College, and thank you so much for being here. Make sure if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to the channel for NEET UG and IIT JEE preparation tips. And as always, you can skip to any of these timestamps. What my friends told me is that you need to be strong in each and every single of your subjects, whether it is physics, chemistry, biology or maths, to get into the premier institutions of the country like the IITs, the NITs or the AIIMS. You cannot be having a weak subject. Students tend to commit a lot of mistakes while going through the entire syllabus in their 11th and 12th standard. And by the time they identify these mistakes and rectify them, a lot of time gets wasted. Therefore, parents and students are waking up and are practicing MCQs, sending their kids to coaching classes, in fact, right from the 5th standard itself. Therefore, starting early with the IIT JEE preparation, starting in the 10th standard itself, identifying your mistakes so that you don't waste any more time in the 11th and 12th standard is the need of the hour. If you waste your time in the 11th standard or 12th standards trying to rectify those mistakes, what happens is that you're not able to go to those advanced level of concepts and practice those advanced level of questions. And I've seen a lot of my own friends give up on the dreams of going into an IIT simply because they do not have enough time to prepare. Coming to what my three friends recommended about how you should go about your preparation, they all unanimously agreed that mathematics is the subject that you should be focusing on in the 10th standard. And this is why. First of all, they told me that there's an ocean amount of difference between the mathematics of your 10th standard and the mathematics of 11th and 12th standard. Furthermore, IIT JEE advanced level of physics requires you to know an advanced knowledge of calculus and trigonometry to be able to solve them. As far as what topics in mathematics that you should be going and studying about, this is the order that they recommended. First, you should do your algebra, followed by coordinate geometry, then trigonometry, and finally calculus. And if you have more time in 10th standard, then they also recommend on brushing up on probability and vectors. Now you must be wondering, how can I study all these topics in 10th standard itself? Do I have to join a very expensive foundation course? No. The answer in fact lies with the smartphone. The smartphone that typically distracts us. इसमें ही JEE का राज छुपा हुआ है. There are so many free lectures that are available on YouTube at this particular point. You can simply go on YouTube and type in calculus for IIT JEE, and there are so many different videos that you can choose from. At this point, if you want to go and learn from books, they recommend two sources, Cengage and Arihant, and I could not agree with them more. At this moment, it is very important to not stress yourself too much. You have 3 years to prepare for IIT JEE, which is a good amount of time to prepare for this particular competitive exam. So try to enjoy this particular subject at a very deep conceptual standpoint and try to build a very good foundational base from which you can start solving higher level of problems like your IIT JEE level problems in your 11th and 12th standard. Understand that you are on a marathon and not a sprint. You don't want to experience burnout and overexert yourself in the 10th standard itself. 11th and 12th standard is a time when you should be going on 5th gear and give your maximum output. I'll be making a complete video dedicated towards burnout, and unfortunately if you've fallen into burnout, that is the video that you should be watching, so do consider subscribing to the channel for that future video. A lot of you have asked me in the comment section, what are the more things that you'll be talking about in your channel? Well, I'll be talking about these 3 key areas in the future video. Number 1, further guidance for JEE and NEET aspirants. Number 2, how to master your NCERT textbooks for your competitive exams as well as your board exams. Third, how to deal with mental health issues in your IIT JEE preparation. and which are the best books available out there in the market for IIT JEE preparation as well as NEET preparation. If you like this video, do consider liking, because a lot of effort goes into editing, scripting and uploading this particular video. Please subscribe to the channel, and you can check out my latest video right up here in the info cards. It will give you a lot of study motivation for you to put into your NEET UG and your IIT JEE preparation. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy. Much love to everyone.